हे एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू लीगल पॉड। आज हम कवर करेंगे पार्ट 2 ऑन प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस जो कि सीबीआई एपीपी 2017 एग्ज़ाम में आए हुए थे। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शंस ऑफ सीआरपीसी इज एनालॉगस टू द रिट ऑफ हीबियस कॉर्पस? सेक्शन 97, 96, 99 और 100। इसका आंसर है ए, सेक्शन 97। सेक्शन 97 बात करता है सर्च फॉर पर्सन्स रॉन्गफुली कन्फाइंड। ठीक है, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग propositions of law is correct as per the law laid down in Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP? A. Police has discretion to register FIR. B. Police can hold preliminary inquiry before registering FIR. C. It is mandatory for the police to register FIR unless the case falls in exceptions. D. It is absolutely mandatory for the police to register FIR without exception. इसका आंसर है C. It is mandatory for the police to register FIR unless the case falls in the exceptions. Moving forward. Which one of the following statements is not correct? A. Every state shall be a sessions division or shall consist of sessions divisions, and every session division shall for the purpose of CRPC be a district or consist of districts. B. The state government may, after consultation with the High Court, alter the limits or the number of such divisions and districts. C. The state government may, after consultation with the High Court, divide any district into subdivisions and may alter the limits or the number of such subdivisions. D. The session divisions, districts and subdivisions existing in a state at the commencement of CRPC shall not be deemed to have been formed under section 7 of the code. इसमें बताना है कि which is not correct, तो इसका ऑप्शन है, आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, क्योंकि ये सेक्शन सी में दिया है शैल बी डीम टू हैव बीन फॉर्म्ड अंडर सेक्शन सी ऑफ द कोड, नॉट नहीं आएगा। एंड ए बी सी तीनों ही सेक्शन 7 के अंदर दिए हुए हैं। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, अंडर सेक्शन 95 ऑफ द CRPC certain publications can be forfeited and search warrant can be issued for the same. In this context, which of the following are the correct legal proposition? First, a newspaper cannot be forfeited and search warrant cannot be issued for the same, as it would be violative of the fundamental right of speech and expression. Second, a book can be forfeited and search warrant can be issued for the same. Third, a document can be forfeited and a search warrant can be issued for the same. Select the correct answer using the given code below. इसका आंसर है C, 2 and 3 only, यानी बुक एंड डॉक्यूमेंट कैन बी फोरफिटेड एंड इनके लिए सर्च वारंट इशू किया जा सकता है। ये दोनों करेक्ट लीगल प्रोपोजिशन है। सेक्शन क्वेश्चन 31, द चीफ जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट इज एम्पावर्ड टू पास विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस? इसका आंसर है ए, सेंटेंस ऑफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट नॉट एक्सीडिंग 7 years। ठीक है, एंड ये दिया हुआ है CRPC के सेक्शन नंबर 29 के अंडर। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, 32, वारंट केस डज नॉट मीन अ केस रिलेटिंग टू एन ऑफेंस पनिशेबल विथ इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर अ टर्म एक्सीडिंग 10 years, इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर लाइफ, डेथ, इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर 2 years। इसका आंसर है डी, इम्प्रिजनमेंट ऑफ 2 years। ये नहीं होता है वारंट केस, बाकी जो 3 हैं इन्हें वारंट केस बोलते हैं। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, क्वेश्चन 33, व्हेन ऑल्ट्रेशन ऑफ चार्जेस इज परमिसिबल एज पर CRPC? A. After the judgment is pronounced. B. Before the judgment is pronounced. C. After filing of appeal. D. Before filing of appeal. इसका आंसर है B. Before the judgment is pronounced. ठीक है, एंड ये दिया हुआ है सेक्शन 216 ऑफ CRPC. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A report made by a police officer in a case which discloses, after investigation, the commission of a non-cognizable offence shall be deemed to be a police report, complaint, final report, charge sheet. इसका आंसर है बी, कंप्लेंट, और ये दिया हुआ है सेक्शन नंबर 2D ऑफ CRPC. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. Who among the following is authorized to issue a warrant to search for a document, parcel or other thing in the custody of Postal or Telegraph Authority? Chief Judicial Magistrate, Executive Magistrate, Judicial Magistrate, District Magistrate. इसका आंसर है D 1 and 4, जो कि है Chief Judicial Magistrate and District Magistrate. इनके पास से सिर्फ पावर है फॉर दिस, और ये दिया हुआ है सेक्शन नंबर 93 ऑफ CRPC. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. फॉर विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑफेंसेस सेक्शन 357C of the CRPC does not ensure the medical treatment free of cost to the victims? Offenses under section 326A of the IPC, 354A, 376A, 376E. इसका आंसर है बी, ऑफेंसेस अंडर 354A ऑफ IPC. ये इंक्लूडेड नहीं है 357 के अंडर. नेक्स्ट. इन विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑफेंसेस कॉग्निजेंस शैल बी टेकन बाय द कोर्ट only by a complaint made by some persons aggrieved by the offense? Rape, theft, criminal breach of trust, offenses relating to marriage. इसका आंसर है डी, offenses relating to marriage. ठीक है, एंड ये दिया हुआ है सेक्शन नंबर 198 ऑफ CRPC. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. क्वेश्चन 38. When the property seized by a police officer is not produced before the court during the inquiry or trial, the property for disposal shall be governed by which one of the following sections of CRPC? Section 454, 455, 457, 458. इसका आंसर है C, 457. Next question. What is the period of limitation prescribed under Code of Criminal Procedure for filing a suit by an aggrieved person to establish his right or claim in respect of property in dispute in case his claim is disallowed by the court which ordered for the attachment of the property? इसका आंसर है C, 1 year. ठीक है, 1 year इज द पीरियड ऑफ लिमिटेशन, एंड ये दिया हुआ है सेक्शन नंबर 84 ऑफ द CRPC. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. हु अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग इज कॉम्पिटेंट to set aside a declaration of forfeiture of certain publications under section 95 of the CRPC? A. Magistrate issuing search warrant, Chief Judicial Magistrate or the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, Court of Sessions और High Court. और इसका आंसर है डी, हाई कोर्ट के पास ये पावर होता है. नेक्स्ट. When any person has reason to believe that he may be arrested on any acquisition of having committed a non-bailable offence, he may apply to the High Court or the Session Court for a direction under section 438 of the CRPC that in the event of such arrest, he may be released on bail. The court may, on such application, issue direction not to arrest until further order, to release the person without taking him in custody. In the event of such arrest, he may be released on bail. In the event of such arrest, he may be released on bail after 3 days. इसका आंसर है सी. In the event of such arrest, he may be released on bail. Next question. Which one of the following offences is a cognizable offence? A. Wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot if rioting be committed. B. Owner or occupier of land not giving information of riot. C. Person for whose benefit a riot takes place not using all lawful means to prevent it. D. Agent of owner for whose benefit a riot is committed not using all lawful means to prevent it. इसका आंसर है A. Moving forward. Which one of the following offences is cognizable and non-bailable under the IPC or CRPC? A. Violation of condition of remission of punishment. B. Printing of a proceedings without permission of the court. C. Personation of a juror or an assessor. D. Disclosure of identity of a victim of rape. इसका आंसर है A. Violation of condition of remission of punishment. Next question. What is the punishment for a subsequent or a second conviction in voyeurism? इसका आंसर है B. Shall not be less than 3 years but may extend to 7 years and fine. ठीक है, एंड ये दिया हुआ है सेक्शन 354C of IPC. Next question. In which one of the following cases the right to private defense does not extend to causing of death of aggressor? First, in an assault with intention of kidnapping, with intention of abduction, with intention of outraging modesty of a woman, with intention of gratifying unnatural lust. इसका आंसर है C. In assault with intention of outraging the modesty of women. इसमें right of private defense causing death नहीं मिलता है. Moving forward. Against whom among the following the offence of abduction is committed? A. Woman. B. Child below the age of 18 years. C. Child below the age of 12 years. या D. Any person. इसका आंसर है D. Any person. Abduction किसी के अगेंस्ट भी हो सकता है. 47. Which one of the following is the punishment for repeat offenders of rape? इसका आंसर है D. Imprisonment for life, which shall mean imprisonment for the remainder of that person's natural life or death. And ये दिया हुआ है सेक्शन 376E of IPC. Moving forward. Z was in possession of certain ornaments and money at the time of her death. A. Her servant intentionally converts them for his own use before it has been in the possession of a person legally entitled for the same. A has committed which one of the following offences under IPC? Theft under 379, theft under 382, dishonest misappropriation under 403, dishonest misappropriation under 404. इसका आंसर है D. Dishonest misappropriation of property under 404. Moving forward. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 contains certain provisions relating to offences against women as recommended by which committee? इसका आंसर है B. वर्मा कमेटी. जस्टिस JS वर्मा इस कमेटी को हेड किए थे, इसलिए इसका नाम है वर्मा कमेटी. Moving forward. Question 50. Justice Melville J's decision in R versus Govinda is a leading authority on law relating to A. Objective liability for murder, B. Murder under grave and sudden provocation, C. Murder in the course of sudden fight, D. Distinction between culpable homicide and murder. इसका आंसर है डी, डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन कल्पेबल होमिसाइड एंड मर्डर इस केस में दिया गया था। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही, आगे का पार्ट हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कवर करेंगे। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।